back to another product, Amazon product demonstration showing whatever you call them nowadays. This is a mosquito quit thing. Mesquite.
Mesquite? What?
Mesquite. It says mesquite.
It does not say mesquite. It says mosquito repellent, dork.
Oh, I didn't see that O.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
If you look at the O as in not being there, gotcha. I understand what you're saying. Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Well, it's a self with a pH.
Yes.
Self-balance mosquito repellent bracelet. They look like this. They smell terrible.
They don't smell terrible. They smell like citronella.
I know.
So if you don't like the smell of citronella, like Caleb, then obviously they smell terrible. What other essential oils do they have in them? Look on the back of the package. What did it say?
It has stuff like lavender.
Which does smell good.
Yeah. Eucalyptus.
Yeah, eucalyptus, dear.
There's the citronella. There's peppermint.
And that's it.
Yep.
So, are they safe?
Yes, they're toxin-free. They're all natural. And they last up to 240 hours. If you don't want to do the math, it's 10 days.
Oh, glad you're here to do the math for us. So,
Yeah.
basically, you could go camping for almost 2 weeks, and you shouldn't get bitten by bugs.
Yeah.
Where else can you put them besides your arm?
You put them on stuff like your wrist and your ankle and attach them to clothes.
Okay. So it also says you can attach them to what else?
You could attach them to stuff like backpacks,
Mm-hmm.
toys.
Okay. So, what else do we have that you would be protecting?
Baby carriers.
Okay. So now that you've got it on, can you take it off, and is it still reusable? Try putting it on your ankle, see if it'll work there. So you can take it off.
Okay, yeah, you can take it off. It's reusable.
Okay, so they're reusable, so that's pretty cool. So it's not like the other bracelets.
And then it's easy to put on your ankle, harder to put on yourself.
Yeah, I had to help you with yourself with
Yeah.
a F, not a PH.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's it feel like? Is it hard? Is it bumpy? Is it...
It's very soft. It feels like a cloth type of texture.
Because it's made of microfiber.
Yeah.
So, all right, cool. Well, anything else that you want to say about it?
No, not really, except it's a really good item, and it comes with 4 colors and 12 pieces.
So 12 pieces, if you kind of open the package so that we can see the inside of it there. So you can see we've got a lot of different colors in there. There we go. There are the different colors. We have not been able to go camping to test it out. And I don't know that we really have all that many mosquitoes around us right now.
No.
So,
More flies.
yeah, we have a lot of flies around here. Does it do anything other than just mosquitoes? Does it say?
It's probably gonna help with flies.
You think the citronella might help with the flies too?
Yeah.
Perhaps, yeah.
Hopefully.
I don't know. What's the package
Probably
say?
strap it to our door and make...
Yeah, I wish we could just strap it to a door and it would work. So, all right. Well, anyway, check it out. Be sure to leave a comment. Have you used these? Have you used other products similar to this?
And answer some of our questions like, can it be used for other bugs and annoying insects?
Yeah, share your knowledge, share your insight.
Yeah.
Be sure to subscribe. This is not the only product that we have that we're sharing. We are constantly looking for new things that we can show off and share. Up on the top of the thing up there, I got some of our stuff that we've received in the past, and that whole basket is full of baby bows, and I'm going to be doing those pretty soon too. But
And if you want to see more of these reviews, what are you calling them these days?
reviews, demos,
Subscribe
whatever.
so that you don't miss a single video.
Yep. So until then, be sure to check out the written review and see what other information I have to share about Caleb's mesquite, he said. They called him his mesquites. From Self Balance with a PH. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.